Hey, this is Mike, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up a Google Drive folder for your course. So here I am at my.wm.edu, and I start here rather than logging into Google because some people have multiple Google accounts. We want the one that is through the university. So I'm at my.wm.edu on the web browser, and I'll go to the Google Workspace link right here on the right-hand side. And if you're not logged in, it will give you the opportunity to log in using your credentials, and you'll see I'm logged into the right place because it says that W and M here. So I've got a really crowded folder structure, but what do I want to do? I'm here in my home folder. I want to go to My Drive here, and that's going to be this link right here on the left-hand side, My Drive. And if you go to your My Drive, then what you can do is you can create a new folder. And you go to your new folder, and you can give that folder a name. So I'll call this whatever my course is going to be. So let's say that it's English 201, right? And I'll go ahead and hit create. So now that folder is created, and I've got an English 201 folder. I can go into that folder by double clicking. So here's my drive, and I'll go to my English 201, and I'll go to share, and I'll share that folder. Here's what I really wanted. And now I'll go ahead and start populating it with my students. So you'll notice that Pablo has two user IDs. One is at email.wm.edu, and the other is just his regular at wm.edu. Now, if somebody has an at email, generally that's going to be the correct email address. Some people will only have an at wm, and that will be the correct address only if they don't have an at email. So just for the sake of argument, I add both of those names to it. And that's it. I can notify the people and send them a message. So I can say, here's the folder for my course. Please drop files into this folder, and I can hit send. But another thing that you can do if you want to, let me go ahead and click out of there, is you can create subfolders for each of your students and then just give them permission over that folder. Rather than give them permission over that main folder. So I'll go to new, or I can go here, pull down this, and I can say new folder, and it'll create a new folder inside that English 201 folder. So now let's say I wanted to create one for Pablo, or if I wanted to give it his username to make it easy, and I'll say create. So now it's a little bit more involved, but now I can go ahead and share that. And the nice thing is I can give William and Mary people view access so that they can see what's inside that folder, but they can't add to it. And then I can add Pablo as editor, so he can put things in it, but other people from William and Mary, so your other students, will be able to see what's inside that folder. And that's it. I can hit send, and then he will have access to that folder, and he will be able to put things in it. One thing that you will have to do, that I will tell you, is in my English 201 folder, I'll just have to go to share, and then make sure that anyone at William and Mary can see that folder. And then I'll say done. So now anyone at William & Mary can see this English 201 folder. I can grab the link to it, and I can just put it on my Blackboard site. So I'll go to English 201, share, copy link, and then I can go to my Blackboard site, and I can do this any number of ways. I can do it really easily, and I can go to, for example, my side menu, and I can say, oops, didn't want to do that. I can go to my side menu, and I can say add a web link right there. And I can say Google Drive for student work. Right? And I can just pop that URL right in there. And I can make that available to users. I can hit submit. And now there it is. It's right there. They can click on that, and it takes them right to that folder. So That's probably the easiest way to create a Google Drive, make sure that students have access to it, and then share it through your Blackboard course site.